Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how often to repost on OfferUp. So I've been selling on OfferUp for over 8 years now, and I've made well over 1,000 sales. And so I'm not like purposely trying to sell quickly on OfferUp, nor am I really trying to make sure that I'm the best seller on OfferUp. But what I am making sure is to make sure I follow the best practices on OfferUp just in order to actually sell stuff that I want to get rid of out of my house. So my main purpose on selling on OfferUp is to basically just clear clutter out of my house so that I have more space. So as far as how often you should post on OfferUp, it really depends on you. What I like to do is make sure I post every single item that I want to sell on OfferUp and make sure it's on there, but then use the relist feature that OfferUp gives you so that you don't always have to make a brand new listing every time. So let's pretend that I have this remote control here and it hasn't sold on OfferUp yet. I'll use the relist feature that OfferUp gives you so that it can kind of appear and be bumped up to the top of the search result listings. So every time a brand new item is posted on OfferUp, it's kind of shown to like new buyers just because it's quote unquote a new item. So make sure to reutilize that relisting feature as far as helping you post on OfferUp more often without having to create a brand new listing every time. In an ideal world, reposting your items every single day would be best, but of course that's not actually possible. That's going to be really hard to do, especially just doing it from your mobile device. But even so, OfferUp, how often you should repost on OfferUp or post on OfferUp? Honestly, daily, like daily items, if you have that many, would suffice. But even if you don't, at least making sure that you have each original listing on OfferUp so that you can just relist those items as often as you want. Let's say like if this remote control doesn't sell within a week, usually on Mondays, I'll dedicate to relisting items. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, do let me know.